Hello everyone, it's Jelani. Bit of a different one today. So I was planning to do a whole part 2 of fixing everything wrong with the Qashqai. And I had my MOT yesterday, and the plan was, okay, take your time. The plan was to I thought I would have had an extensive list of things to do, but I ended up just failing because one of my front tires was below the legal limit. So yeah. Oh, but I'm gonna put in a part here now in the video where I found an issue beforehand. So I did sort that out beforehand, which the previous owner left for me a nice little surprise. So I put that in now, but yeah, I still have some stuff that I want to take care of, like bushings and that, but for now, yeah, it's just, I'm gonna get a tire fit, a couple tires fitted. I'll just end up gonna do the two front tires fitted that quick fit. Hey everyone, it's Jelani. So today I said I was just going to check out some stuff on the car to double check what I need to order. So I've been looking at the suspension, because I know the guy before me did some work to the suspension. So I noticed that the disc here, that needs to change. I didn't even realize. I was there looking for the little nut that holds it back to the hub, but there's none on this one, so that's all loose. But I guess when the wheel nut goes on, it just holds it in place, so that's not a problem. But what is a problem is the drag link here, that's not done up. If you can hear that, if I shake, I can't even do it with one hand, but just now I was just shaking that, you can hear it. So anyway, I need to jack this up now, so I'm gonna buy this lower controller on, because I think these bushings are done. But I thought the bushings was the problem really, but it was this. That's the problem. So I'm gonna do that now, and maybe do the other side. Yeah, look, you can hear it. Madness. Now I need to check everything now what this guy done, because I don't feel ah boy. So anyway, I'm doing that now. Alright, so I had an old drop link there, so I managed to find a extra nut, as you can see there. I took that one off at the tip, and I've doubled up. So what happened is, when the person put this on, because he changed this, but it didn't do up the nut, so the nut, he had eaten up the thread on the nut, so that was just spinning. So that literally was held in place by hopes and dreams, but we had good thread on top. So what I've done is just use that old nut as a washer pretty much, and added my new nut there, and now that's under solid. So what I have to do now is jack up the other side and do the same thing, because I'm pretty sure that's what's happening on the other side. But that now is solid, whereas it wasn't before. And I checked that just now. I don't know why I never just told. Maybe he didn't know. I give him the benefit of the doubt. But anyway, that needs to be changed. But that's now solid, so I'm gonna do the other side now. I'm gonna actually just check the back, take the back tire off, check around there if anything was done that was dodgy, and then I'll spin the car around and I'll do the other side. So the back ones look like they should be fine for a minute. Well, as you can see, it's all cracked on the sidewall there. I do have a nail in the other one. get these changed now. Literally same car beside me. That's how common these cars are. But anyway, just in the waiting room now.
Okay. Is that it? Is that it then? Yeah. And my last shift with him was.
Alright, 2 hours later. I don't know why it took so long. We got one and two. So gonna head to the MOT place now to get my MOT. So yeah. So yeah, let's head in there now. Alright, so we got a pass. I just picked that up just now, the diesel cleaner, so might as well just add it now to the car. Where's the instructions? Anyways, I'm gonna add this to the car now. End up yeah, so very uneventful per se. I thought I would have had way more work on the car to do, but well, sometimes the uneventfulness is a good thing. So anyway, there's a short little edit this, and yeah, I got the health check from the quick fit guy, so I'm gonna see what's on that, and then I'll maybe do that as a video with all of the things that I need to fix, because I want to sort this. To be honest, it's fine, the car drives fine and everything, but I'm gonna see what I can, if I do want to spend money, any more money on this. This should have been a little budget car. I don't want to spend too much money on it, and I should be spending the more money on the Z4, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. The story of my life behind this machine getting the garbage